Well, it's a big day, and I'm going to try to get through it without crying, but I know they're going for a good cause, and that's what's bolstering me, just that and prayer, But today is the day the chickens are going to the farm. They're all pretty talkative right now. See if I can't change it around. I'll just have to turn the camera around. Say hi, everybody. Last time on camera, Bun. At the Hillbilly Homestead, anyway. I'll try to get you on camera before I leave you today. And there's the rooster. That's the most peaceful one, so I'm going to give her that one. And then the baby hens are back there. And Teeny and Bunny. And I got to get them some AC rolling, but I just figured I would let y'all know that today is the day. It is happening. And I was pretty sad yesterday. I did cry. As you can tell, I'm right now on the verge of tears, and it really makes me upset with myself because I know I'm doing what's right. Donating these hens to people who are doing wonderful work for the kingdom. They couldn't go to a better place. They're going to be providing eggs for, some people who are on a really good path. And I'm happy about all that, but it's just, again, another big change that's coming. And nobody really likes change, right? As right as I know it is, as right as I know every decision I'm making is right and in line with God, it's still hard. And I've got to sell this school bus. Somebody please help me. Much love.